Since gyms are reopening, I'm going to show you how to set up for your squat. So first, you're going to have these which hold the bar. So you want to make sure that they're just below your shoulders so that when you squat down, you can lift the weight up. So you want to adjust these and make sure they're even on both sides. Like so. You can then bring the bar up onto them. Hands on the bar, come underneath the bar, and then bring your arms closer together so that you build a ledge on your back, known as the trap shelf. Lift it up and then make sure it's comfortable weight. Then you're going to rack up your weights on the bar. Make sure it's a suitable weight that you can lift safely. Then you're going to clip the weights in place. And then proceed to do your squat. Come back out of the way and squat down. Walk forward and then safely re-rack your bar. Cool.